It is no longer news that rosemary water and rosemary oil, they are suitable for hair growth. And in recent times, rosemary has been compared to minoxidil, which is actually used to promote hair growth. So if you can put those two in a research and rosemary still comes out very strong, know that rosemary itself is a very amazing ingredient for promoting healthy growth. So if you know you want to introduce a particular Ayurvedic herb that will help you see results in no time, ensure you watch this video to the end, because this video is going to break down rosemary as a whole in the water form and in the oil form. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first off, rosemary is known to have anti-inflammatory properties and it is known to have antioxidant properties, right? And also it is known to promote healthy hair growth. Like for years now, the research has been on and it has been proven over and over again that it works for hair growth. So this is how you would prepare it. So for the oil, you would infuse your rosemary herbs in any carrier oil of your choice, be it your jojoba oil, your olive oil, your argan oil, any form of carrier oil that you choose that is suitable for your hair. Infuse the herbs in it and ensure that you do either the maceration process or you will do the direct heat process. If you need like a detailed video on how I actually prepared my rosemary oil, just click the link in the description box that will show you detailed tutorial on how to make the rosemary oil. So for your rosemary oil preparation, you need herbs like your rosemary leaves, cloves, flaxseed or fenugreek, and you can decide to add any other herb of your choice. But this one are like the primary herbs that you need to have in your oil to get the exact oil I use for my hair that has grown my hair from looking very thin to looking full, bouncy and luscious. Moving on, if you want to prepare the rosemary water, ensure that you don't boil your herbs directly on heat. This time around, you're going to boil your water separately to 100 degrees Celsius. Then you get a bowl, preferably a transparent bowl, so that you can see the change of color over time. You get a bowl, you will put in your herbs, your rosemary and your cloves in a particular measurement. If you want to know the particular measurement you need, if you want to know the types of herbs you need to be using consecutively for your hair growth, get my ebook. The link is in the description box. After you measure your herbs, you put it in the bowl, the transparent bowl, then you pour your boiled water. So once your water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, you pour it into the bowl that contains the herbs. Then you cover it and leave to macerate for 24 hours. Thereafter, there will be a color change in your herbs. Then you proceed to strain your mixture. After you strain your mixture, you put your water in a spray bottle. And don't forget, store your rosemary water in the fridge to prevent it from, growing microbes on the surface, from preventing spoilage and all of that. Put or preserve your water in the fridge. So this is how you would use it. You apply this mixture, both the water and the oil, 4 to 5 times weekly. You first off go with your rosemary water, spray directly on your scalp, and you spray sparingly on your hair strands. Then massage thoroughly. Then you go in with your rosemary oil. The same process, you can use a dropper to apply it on your scalp. Then you massage. Then you can go in with your leave-in conditioner, or you spray the rosemary water, then you apply your leave-in conditioner, then you seal it with your rosemary oil. Either way, it is fine. Do whatever you find suitable. Be very patient and consistent with this process, with this mixture, and you are definitely going to see results. And if by any chance you notice any adverse effects, be it is extremely dry into your hair or it's making your scalp react in a certain way, stop with immediate effect. It is not a must that you go through with it, but so far so good. I have not had any negative review personally as regards this mixture. That is why I've decided to share this video with you guys, and also keep sharing this video to so many people that don't know the benefits of using rosemary for hair growth. Tell them that your favorite hair coach has explained in details how to preserve it, how to use it, and the herbs to use. So for the oil, just leave it at room temperature. Don't put it in the fridge. It is not like the water. Leave at room temperature. Some of the benefits of rosemary is that it promotes healthy hair growth, it will help prevent dandruff, and it will also help to prevent premature hair graying. So with all this, you're sure that you are in for something good, right? And yeah, so these are the basics. Would you be trying these herbs? Let me know in the comment section. Or are you already using it? Let me also know your experience with rosemary oil and rosemary water. And as per usual, tell your friends about this page. Watch this video to the end. Watch all my videos to the end so that we can reach our 4,000 watch hours on time. Right? This page is educative. This page is filled with a lot of information. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. I remain your favorite hair coach.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.